Okay, so this is your short piece of sinew. You're going to fold it in half, and you're going to lay it along the side of the rattle with this in your wrap, and then you just wrap down like this. I hope you can see this. I'm kind of flattening it with my thumb as I go and putting them right next to each other. So when you get to the bottom and your loop is right here, you want to cut off, leave yourself a little tail. You put this tail through the loop like this, and then you pull these two threads and make sure you got it laid flat, pull it, and pull it through. So the thread that you're doing is going to be on the top, and you just clip that off.